kittens went out to play, jumping and bouncing along the way, over the hills and through the trees, laughing and purring in the breeze. The first little kitten climbed up high, reached for an apple way in the sky. Down it tumbled, oh me, oh my, landed in the leaves with a happy sigh. The second little kitten saw something red, a butterfly fluttered, off it flew. Pounce went the kitten so quick and light, but the butterfly danced just out of sight. The third little kitten found a puddle so wide, looked in the water and saw its eyes. Splash went the paws, water went plop, drip, drip, shake, oh I just can't stop. The fourth little kitten saw a ball, a roll, a bounce, it started to fall. Round and round it spun and spun, till the kitten was wrapped like a cinnamon bun. The fifth little kitten sniffed the air. Yummy treats, let's all share. Milk and fish and cookies too. The kittens meowed, a dream come true. 5 little kittens had so much fun, jumping and playing in the sun. Now it's time to cuddle tight. Purr, purr, purr. Good night, good night, good night.